Hi everybody, welcome to another video, and today I've got another lunar sketching time lapse for you. I just want to explain a little bit about this sketch because it's something that I've never tried before. This is crater J Herschel, named after John Herschel, and it's up near the northwestern limb. So when you take a photograph of this crater from Earth, it's very foreshortened and looks oval in shape, even though it's actually a spherical crater. And it's usually best viewed when the libration is favourable. I had a commission to sketch this crater, and the person that wanted me to draw this wanted it as if it was sketched from above. Now, Lunar Orbiter 4 has a really great picture of this crater from above. But unfortunately, it was taken during a high sun angle, and that means that there's very little definition on any of the features. So, for this one, what I did is I found a really great picture of sunrise over this crater taken by Michael Knoll, who's kindly given me permission to use his photo as a reference, and I'll link the Flickr link to his photograph below. And basically what I've done is looked at Michael's picture to try and capture all of the features that are enhanced by the low sun angle, but apply them to a sketch that looks like it's been taken from above. So in order to do that, I had to look at both pictures at once and try to kind of in my brain transpose the oval features into something that was spherical. I've never done this before. It was really quite tricky, but I got there in the end. And one of the things that was really tricky about this is the left-hand side of this crater kind of slopes away downhill and is very dark in colour. And that gives the impression that there are two light sources and two sets of shadows. And that isn't what's going on at all here. And so what I did once I'd mapped out those dark areas, I had to go back in and add a lot of texture. Now, there is a lot of texture on the floor of this crater and also on the kind of eastern side of it, and that contrasts really beautifully with the very smooth surface of Mare Frigoris. So what I did for the first time is actually use the technique of using a scalpel blade and scraping some of the pastel directly onto the page and then pressing it in, and that really added a lot of that texture that I was looking for. And I did that with white and black, and I went back and forth between the two several times and just tried to make it look more realistic and not like there are two kind of sources of shadows there. So yeah, it was a difficult one to do, but I got there in the end, and I'm quite pleased with the result, given that I've never tried to do anything like this before. So that's enough talking. I'll just put some music on, let you finish watching the time lapse, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like. Thanks again to Michael for allowing me to use his photograph. Take care, everybody, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.